In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bank reconciliation in Xero. Bank reconciliation might sound a bit daunting at first, but it's a vital process to ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. By reconciling your bank transactions, you can verify that what you're seeing in your accounting software matches the reality of your bank account, minimizing discrepancies and maintaining clear financial records. Once you've added a bank feed in Xero, the next crucial step is to reconcile any transactions. This means you're going to be matching what's in your bank to what's in your books, ensuring that every penny is accounted for. This process can help prevent any surprises at the end of the financial year and keeps your records in tip-top shape. When you navigate to your Xero dashboard, start by locating the Home tab. This is your starting point. On this page, you'll find a button labeled Reconcile Items. This button is your gateway to manage and verify the transactions that have been imported from your bank. Click on this button to begin the reconciliation process. At this stage, Xero will present you with two crucial pieces of information: your statement balance and your balance in Xero. The statement balance reflects what's in your actual bank account, while the balance in Xero is what's been recorded in your software. Now, here's where the magic of reconciliation happens. You need to review these transactions carefully. It's up to you to either match transactions where they already exist or add transactions that might be missing from your records. This ensures that both balances align and that your books are accurate and up to date. Let's walk through this with an example. Say you notice a transaction in your bank statement hasn't automatically matched to an entry in Xero. Xero simplifies this process by suggesting matches based on the information it has. If you see these suggestions, review them carefully to confirm they are correct. If there isn't a direct match, you may need to manually add a transaction. Input the relevant details, such as the transaction date, amount, and a brief description. This fills in the missing information and keeps everything aligned. Reconciliation is an ongoing process and a repetitive one, requiring your attention regularly to maintain accuracy. It's a little bit of detective work combined with attention to detail, building the foundation for transparent and reliable financial records. Now, with all these steps completed, your bank reconciliation in Xero is done. That's all for today's guide. You now have the essential knowledge to perform a bank reconciliation in Xero confidently. Regularly updating and matching these transactions helps prevent errors and ensures that your financial statements are always correct. Thank you for joining me, and happy reconciling.